Hi guys, welcome to Nikka City Shakedown. I'm Guillaume Quenza from Rhubarb Fréquence in Paris. Let me be your tour guide for today. Let's go. We are here at Café Moderne, one of the pioneers of the cocktail scene in Paris. They've been here for more than 10 years now. We get our coffee every morning here. Jay is probably the Frenchest man you can get. You know, it's hard to get a smile off him. When you get it, it's pure gold. And that's what we're after today. Right, Jay? Paris has this wonderful thing that it's actually not a big city. The center is really, really small, so you can walk around. This is Place de la Bastille. We're in the Frenchest place to be, where revolution started a couple of hundreds of years ago. What's good about Paris is that every street corner you get something beautiful as that. The sun is out, it's pretty hot, we need a drink and a bite to eat. I know the right place, come on. Paris is quite small, so all the bars, they all know each other. There's a strong community. Every cocktail bar has its own way of working. You get that soul, you get a different soul in every bar. So, we're out here at Cambridge Public House. Its location is quite good as well because you get to all the best bars in Paris in 1 minute stroll. Candelaria, Little Red Door, Marie Celeste. Ça va? Ça va bien? Ça va et toi? That's exactly what I needed. That's exactly why I come to this place as well. You know, it's a chilled atmosphere, no fuss about anything, and the guys working there are really cool. So we're here at Savarez-vous, probably the best place in town to get fresh fruits and vegetables. So we're gonna get ourselves a nice piece of rhubarb to mix with Nikka whiskey. Ça va? Bonjour, très bien, merci. Looks fresh. It's gonna be nice. Can't wait to mix that in the drink. So Bastille is the area where Fréquence is located. It's really a simple concept, it's music and cocktails. We only put music on vinyls. One of the main reasons for Fréquence is showcasing music. We're gonna make something that's really important in Japanese drinking culture, which is a highball. It's just going to be whiskey, coffee grain, some Japanese plum liqueur, Rhubarb Soda that we made with those beautiful rhubarb. And to finish off, Aquatic Mint. That's it. A Michat cocktail made with Nikka coffee grain. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Come by to Paris, make sure to swing by the bar and have a drink with us. See you. Santé.